Are you spinning? Hi. Look at that. Did you get the elephant? Yeah, he's got a crinkly nose. Is that pretty good stuff? Figuring out how to go in circles? Good girl. Quinn, is it exciting? Is it good stuff? Can you smile? That's my girl, huh?